How chiropractors crack your lower back and hips with chiropractic treatment. The lower back and hips are the most common sites of nerve pain in the body. Whether you have a numbness and tingling sensation or sharp, shooting pain, it is often caused by vibration or mechanical damage to your spinal column. The spine comprises bones and soft tissue, including muscles and nerves that transmit messages to one another. When these tissues become irritated or inflamed due to an awkward position, injury, or overuse, they can restrict normal movement, causing discomfort throughout the body. A chiropractor uses different manual manipulation techniques on the spine to increase flexibility while reducing tension on targeted joints and bones that help relieve back pain like sciatica. This video will help understand how chiropractic treatment can help crack the lower back and hips. Before starting any chiropractic treatment or adjustment, it is essential for the chiropractor first to understand the origin of pain. For the same, the chiropractor carries out a comprehensive diagnosis on your pain areas and also inquires about your back pain history. This helps to figure the accurate cause for the pain. Next, depending on the severity of pain and the extent of pain, the chiropractor decides whether cracking the back would be the right thing to do. For cracking the lower back, the patient is asked to lie down on their side and pull the upper leg inward. While in this position, the chiropractor places one hand below the patient's shoulder and another hand on the lower back. Before the cracking adjustment, the chiropractor asks the patient to relax so that the body does not restrict chiropractic adjustment. Then, after the ideal position is maintained, the chiropractor applies spontaneous pressure on the body. This helps to relax and loosen the tension and stress between the joints in the back. Ultimately, a cracking sound is produced, and a relief in the rigidness of the back is experienced. Chiropractic treatment can treat a wide range of back pain problems. Back pain is commonly caused due to the following conditions. Scoliosis, an intense curve in your spine, usually occurs when you are a teenager. Herniated disc, when a section of the shoulder blade pushes beyond its regular place, it can lead to herniated disc pain. Sprain, a sprain is an overuse injury resulting from frequent activities that pressure muscles or tendons around the joint. Shearing forces, these are forces applied to your bones to move them, such as lifting and carrying items. Osseous, your bones are made of tissue instead of just bone and can be reshaped after trauma or injury. Stress fractures, when a small crack in one area of the bone breaks off due to either aging or another cause. Now let's understand the chiropractic adjustments involved in cracking hips. The following can be the potential reasons for your hip pain: arthritis, sciatica, tendinitis, labral tear, dislocation of hip. Hip discomfort is also caused due to the trapped gases between the joints. Besides, tendon tears, unhealed bones, or inflammation can also be the causes of hip pain. A chiropractor's job is to keep you healthy and pain-free by correcting the alignment of your musculoskeletal system. One of the ways they do this is through manipulation by hand. Chiropractors use their hands, specifically their thumbs, to gently crack the bones between joints. Chiropractors use a variety of techniques to crack the hips. The hip thrust, the voodoo technique, is the most commonly used. Chiropractic treatment for hips is very effective as it helps to bring instant pain relief. This procedure is carried out by positioning the patient on their side, and the knee is flexed towards the chest. In contact with the surface, the lower shoulder is placed forward, and a stretch in the pelvic region is produced by applying pressure on the sacroiliac joint. This produces a crack in the hip that releases the tension in the joint and helps to feel relaxed. Besides, there are other gentle methods for treating hip pain with chiropractic treatment. Those are as follows: activator technique, gravity traction, flexion distraction technique, adjustment with drop-down table, respiratory assisted adjustment. Hip pain can be caused due to several other muscles in your body. For example, tightness in the adductors, piriformis, hamstrings, and TFL can also cause discomfort in the hip and lead to lower back pain. Stretching of these muscles can be used as one of the methods to reduce hip pain by chiropractors. Conclusion: lower back pain and hip pain are heavily integrated conditions. Consulting an expert chiropractor will help diagnose the exact source of your pain and choose the proper chiropractic treatment to relieve it. It is vital to use suitable chiropractic treatments to avoid any potential injuries. Schedule an appointment today and get rid of your pain at the earliest. To visit Los Angeles Chiropractors, call now, 213-984-4575.